Hello everyone. So, quick demonstration lang sa nangyari. Let me play this muna before we start. So, this topic is about setting your risk. First and foremost, let me demonstrate muna yung nangyari. So, here we have bias of flow. I-replay lang natin para maunawaan na mabuti. Then, yeah, yun, dito tayo nagsisisi na tayo sa nangyari dito, guys. Kailangan natin ma-comprehend po natin yung puzzle. Okay, ayun yung ano na mistake. So, ito na, guys. Yan, in daily, we have daily bias na nire-respect niya yung fair value gap, no? At daily, and we have higher, low, higher, low na low order flow. Yan. Then, at 4 hours, we have this big candle validating yung lahat. And we are at the discount. And we have above, now we are at the premium, guys. At the premium, and intermediate, yan. We're in the premium again. Intermediate. Right? So, alam niyo na yun. And then, after that, we grab liquidity at the buy side. Yan, wait mga buy side liquidity. We grab that, guys. After grabbing that, we made SMT plus session. Boom, high tire, guys. Pero ito nga, yung topic na to is about accepting your risk. Psychology topic. So, here in 30 minutes, as you can see here, we're also at the premium. Okay, nasa premium tayo, guys, no? So re-replay natin yun para makita talaga natin kung anong nangyari at masunod ba yan. Start nyo, go. Yan. So I'm in a trade na I'm waiting na tumaas, kunin yung premium. After we have a big candle low na nagkaroon ng change of delivery. Then, we also created CSD. Then, nag-wait lang dyan. We have SMT, buy side liquidity. Okay? Bang. Pang low na low talaga. A plus setup, guys. Hindi pa kalit. Okay. Bawas tayo. Lucky. Then, after that, displacement. Yan, expect ko na bullish. Ayun yung ina-expect ko, guys, na magkaroon na higher high para makuha yung premium. Then yan. Ewan mo, bilisan mo. Then doge. Diyan ako nag-sell. Then nag-sell ako dyan. After sell that, may tumunog. After sell that, we have yan, nakuha natin yung dyan ko nilagay yan, imbis na dapat sa taas, dyan ko nilagay yung sell side ko. Ayun sinasabi kong accepting, guys. Dyan ko nilagay imbis na sa taas dapat. So yun lang naman, guys. I-accept nyo yung risk nyo. Okay, tathanda. Yun lang naman. Tuloy mo na, ba't matagal ng video ko dito? Game. Then after that, yan, diyan ko nilagay. Okay, paulit-ulit na ako. Then market, go, bilisan mo. Ang tagal, ang dami kong sinasabi dyan. Mahalaga lang dyan, i-accept yung risk nyo, guys. I-accept nyo na matatalo. Ganun. Basic probabilities lang naman kasi ito, diba? So that's a lesson for us. So hindi tayo talo, we're just completing the puzzle, diba? One by one we're gonna do it, guys. Then after that, play mo na. Tagal mo i-play. Ayan, clinic, yan, bugs. Yan, dyan ako nag-enter sa inverse fair value gap. Then 5 minutes. Bagang tagal ko pala dito, ano. Boogs. Dapat yung stop loss natin, which is na dapat ilagay natin sa taas na in-accept natin yung risk natin, guys. Then, shala, that's it. I think yun na lang yan lahat. Ikakat ko na agad to dito para hindi na masyadong mahaba. Kasi nasabi ko naman mga gusto ko sabihin. Yun lang naman. Bye. Wait lang pala. Ay nga, i-accept parang yung risk mo. Like, if you're willing to risk, then you're willing to win 20, right? 1 to 2 RR, 1 to 3 RR. Yun. Goodbye.